All right, for our curved piecing demo, I'm going to piece together these two pieces. So for tools, I've got my finger presser, I've got glass head pins, and then I have these two pieces, which I'm going to piece. This is the convex edge of the gray piece, and this is the concave edge of the yellow piece. So what I'm going to first do is find the center of each piece by folding each wedge in half and just giving a little mark with my finger presser. So you can now see I've got a little line, a little mark right there. That will press out in the end. It's just a guide for me for where to line up these pieces. Now, these curves are cut on the bias, so they have stretch to them. So do not pull on this bias edge and stretch. It's just to keep, you just are marking just to find the center, so you're not stretching anything. So I've lined up those two marks, and I'm going to pin the center, and then I'm going to go to the edge and going to pin there. And I'm going to go to the other corner and I'm going to pin here. So because these edges are stretchy, it may not look like these are going to go together, but they will. So what I'm going to do, keeping the convex on the bottom and the concave on top, I'm just going to slowly ease these pieces together, pinning along the way, and I'm not stretching either piece really. I'm just kind of like allowing them to kind of come together, because if they're cut accurately, they will. Okay, so I've got half of this pinned. I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Just going to slowly ease those edges together. Making sure that they line up. You can hear my dog snoring in the background. Okay, so here is my curved piece all ready to pin. So I'm going to go to the sewing machine and I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch seam down this edge. Now, some people say don't pin, or that you don't have to pin. I'm just a pinner. Some people will just pin the middle and the two corners, and then they'll just ease it in as they sew. I don't find that to be as successful. I find that if I pin it like this, especially with these skinny strips, that it just works and I only have to piece it once and then I don't have to rip out any stitches. So you do you when it comes to pinning, but this is how I do it for a curved seam. So we're going to take a quick pause. I will show you how this, how I stitch this, and then I'll press it out and show you the final result.